Right now, we're at the foot of Kelton Way in the Natomas area where firefighters just wrapped up work on a small grass fire. Hopefully, they're back at the station now getting some rest. They're going to need it. We caught up with firefighters at some of these scenes today where they were battling flames, and they do have a message they'd like everyone to hear. In 100-degree heat, Sacramento Metro firefighters battled a Monday afternoon house fire off Hazel Avenue in Fair Oaks.
Additional resources were called in, and we had this fire pretty much under control within about 5 to 10 minutes.
Captain Mark Nunez says the fire is suspicious. Investigators are looking into the possibility that a juvenile started it.
And we expect, with the temperatures being as hot as they're going to be all week, that this isn't going to be the only fire that we have. We do expect us to be very busy this week. We do ask our public to please use caution.
Firefighters are taking seriously the red flag warning issued by the National Weather Service for portions of the Sacramento Valley this week. At a grass fire off 51st Avenue in South Sacramento, the weeds that didn't burn were waving in the wind, demonstrating one of the reasons the red flag warning was issued. Dry north winds will become gusty at times Tuesday. Firefighters are concerned about the triple threat of those winds, the hot temperatures, and low humidity.
That's the perfect combination for a very busy week.
In light of the danger, Cal OES is paying for extra resources to be strategically positioned in high fire risk areas of the state through the 4th of July. In Sacramento, those resources include extra dispatchers and commanding officers, 4 engines, 1 water tender, 1 helicopter, and 1 dozer, all in addition to what is normally available this time of year. Now, what firefighters need is cooperation from everyone to help prevent fires from starting in the first place.
When it comes to your fireworks, making sure that you have a hose close by, that you keep a bucket of water nearby. When the firework is done, we put the firework in the bucket of water.
And of course, it's not just the fireworks, it's the barbecues, it's the cigarettes, it's the lawnmowers on the dry grass, anything that could possibly start a fire. Those firefighters are just urging that extra measure of cooperation from all of us. Reporting live in Sacramento, covering local news that matters, Dennis Shanahan, Fox 40 News.